Assalamualaikum. This video we will add the respawning, but before that we will add two things to fix some issues. So as you have noticed that when our characters are dead, still we can shoot them and they will play the animation of it. For disabling that, in the display color script under this line of code, shooter name, we have added this line as well. So this dot game object dot layer equal to layer mask dot game to layer ignore raycast. So with this line of code, now it will not happen. One more important thing is that in the weapon changer script we have added a if statement where we are actually spawning the weapons. So what we are doing is that we are only spawning weapons for the owner client only, okay, the master client only. So we will say that if owner is the master client, then only we will spawn these weapons, okay. So in this way only one time weapons will be spawned, otherwise sometimes it will happen that for every character a new weapon will be spawned. So this will fix the issue, hopefully. For respawning the character, we will create two variables in the player controller script. You can see that we have created a vector3 start position and bool variable respawn false. So we will just get the in the start function we will get the start position for as the transform dot position. So where our character will be spawned, that will be the position of our respawn position. So it will be respawned at the same position again. In the update function, after the if statement, you can see that we can add another if statement here, and then we will say that if is dead equal to true. Here you can see that if is dead is false, then here we are made in if that is true and respawn is false, then we will respawn the character, and then we will start a coroutine respawn wait, and we will wait for 3 seconds in the coroutine, and then we will make is dead false, respawn false, and transform dot position equal to start position, and then we are actually getting a function, this function respawn function from the display script, display color script, and we are getting the owner dot nickname. So in the display script we will create that function. So here we created the function public void respawn, and in this function we have added a string name, and then for the string name we have added get component, and we are actually calling the RP, and that RPC name is replay reset for replay, and RPC all buffer name, because we are using name here. So here we will create the pun RPC, and for this RPC we are making the rest for replay, and in this function actually we are you can actually copy these things from here, and then you can paste these here, and some things are not needed, other things are needed. So we will just make the dead bool false, then weapon changer is dead false, then we will make is dead in the aim look ref false, and then we are actually making the layer, creating this layer to be converted to player layer. As you know that in the player, if we go to the resources and the player, you can see we have added the player layer for the player. So we are making it on dead, we are making the layer ignore raycast, and now when we respawn we will make it to player again. So that's why we are making the layer player, and also we will make the health full amount. So for the health we have this line of code, and you can copy this line of code from here, okay, and then you can paste it here, and we can make it to 1F, which is the full health value. So yeah, that's it, and now hopefully it should work. So we'll build the game, and let's test it out whether it's working or not. One more thing is that for the player, we have now two more fields here in the animator component. Here you can see animator view. We have the hit and dead, so these should be continuous and continuous as well, okay. So this is very important. Okay, so now we have some characters, and let's see what will happen if we kill this character. Okay, let's select the yellow character. Yeah, here it is, the yellow character, and we will kill the yellow character. So let's go here, and we will go here, and let's make it like this, and now we'll just kill this character, and now you will see that this character is gone, and now it will spawn it again like this. So that's great.